All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm in the house with the Shirogorov Custom Division 111 Thai Bronze. Here with me for a review, we're gonna analyze the look, the sound, and the feel of this bad boy right over here. But hey, don't forget to like the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to leave me a comment down below and let me know what do you guys think about this fella right over here. Would you look at that? This guy comes in with the classic Shirogorov Custom Division black box. It also includes the Russian certificate, which you can see right over here with some specs and a lovely stamp from Shiro, and of course all the information matching serial number and certificate of authenticity for this beautiful blade right over here. Would you look at this great knife? It has, it's called 111 because 111 millimeters for the cutting edge. Check this out, 111 right there, which translates into roughly 4.45 inches in cutting edge and like 5.5 almost inches for the handle, with an overall length of almost 10 inches, like 9.8. It is crazy big. Check this out, the mini bug out and the bug out from Benchmade being dwarfed by this fella right there. Nothing can do even Spyderco with the Paramilitary 2 right here and the Para 3 up there. There's no comparison whatsoever. And also, again, XM18 from Hinder Knives, Kaha, North Arms knives, nothing to do with that size. Chris Reeve knives, small 7-21, large in Cosi. There's no comparison whatsoever. This is Brian Nadeau, Custom Void XL, nothing. Holt Bladework Spectre, nothing. They are small. The haptic looks tiny in comparison to this 111. Let me show you another couple Shiro here to give you a perspective. That's a neon NL, and this is the Stellar, another beautiful custom division, to give you a perspective of these three different sizes there, and another couple custom here. I've got the BBM from Nick Chuprin and Robert Carter, and up here the Maverick Concept Saber to complete the picture of this humongous knife that is going on up here. We got the 111 Thai Bronze Shirogorov Custom Division, made in Russia, handmade knife, really cool blade. Look at that. You get, check this set of titanium handles. Very fine milling lines going on over here. 3 scalloped areas here and 2 here, kind of like reminiscent of the NS configuration for the F3. Very good milling lines, futuristic, 100%. This reminds me of some, you know, like fantasy movies, like I don't know what, but something from the future, like a spaceship or whatever. Of course, it's a gorgeous one. And check it out, internal skeletonization going on both scales. This is an inset liner lock, not properly like a full liner lock like it would be, for example, something like this. As you can see, there's like full set of liners, and then you get the scales and the bolsters on top. Here you have the liner that is nested into the lock side of this titanium frame. Beautifully 3D milled, sculpted. It's a gorgeous one, guys. Really cool. You get some large finger groove to allocate 2 of your fingers, and the purchase, oh my god, it's just crazy. You do get a full-size bronze backspacer reaching up to this point and extruding like a lanyard loop option, protecting the tip of the blade, protecting your finger from touching the tip of the blade, which is absolutely centered and almost like grazing that backspacer, which is really cool. You get very nice lines, of course, classic Shirogorov Custom Division pivot that is not spinning, it's keyed in on this side, you can only access from this side, and then you get 2 sets of screws for the body, which is the only knife in Shirogorov lineup that is using 2 screws for the body. Usually you get 1, and it's right over here. The screws are not protruding from the handle, just sticking out a tiny bit, not too much, as you can see, just a little bit. You can also check out my maintenance video to see how's this guy under the hood. Really cool. Of course, you do get, like, look at this. Look at this. Of course, you do get some nice area here to disengage the lock bar, some lateral jimping. You see there's some indentation going on the show side. So you just put your thumb like that and boom, you are in business. There is no stainless steel lock face insert on this, in this case right over here. But you do get a ceramic detent ball going on. Then you get, of course, a bronze pocket clip, tip-up carry only, hidden hardware with a nice window, jimping going on, beautiful entrance ramp, a little bit steep exiting ramp, but it's nicely dialed in. It's resting on a full scale of titanium, so no issues whatsoever. Is it, of course, a non-reversible tip-up carry only? You cannot mount it on this side. And then you meet this humongous blade going on right here. When you deploy it, you can actually appreciate maybe the Custom Division logo etched right over here. Vinland Dama steel employed for this gorgeous blade. You got extensive chamfering on the spine. You get some nice jimping going on. Drop point blade, 30% belly, straight edge up to the sharpening choil. It's not a finger choil. Beautiful classic Shirogorov plunge grind. A little bit of flats going on here. Flat grind and sterile looking, except for the, of course, pattern on the back of the blade. Really cool. Of course, you get nice cutting edge for this one. Let's quickly check the stock thickness at this level. Over here is going to be 0.13 inches, and just right behind the edge, let's quickly check at that 0.01. Sorry, it is a slicer. This thing is thin behind the edge. I really appreciate the bronze looking accents for the pivot collar, for the backspacer, for the pocket clip, merging with this kind of like different shade of bronze for the handle. Really cool. What is also like extremely cool, guys, this twack is out of this world. One of the best sounding knife in the business. Thwack and clank, and thwack, loud, percussive. It's a beast. It's a monster deploying. It is so good that it's ridiculously sounding good, guys. This action is nuts, I'm telling you. Let's quickly check the weight. Because, yeah, there's some skeletonization going on, but a lot of bronze parts like backspacer, clip, and collar, they're going to add up to 6.37 ounces. So not properly a lightweight, but I'm telling you, it feels gorgeous in the hand. There's no hot spots. Feels good in the hand. If you have big hands, like, you're going to love it. If you're a lefty, also, this also will work, like, because, yeah, you can do it. And you're gonna be happy because liner locks are, yeah, it's on this side, but you can do that because they don't do lefty versions of this one, so that's probably your only option if you're a lefty. So you're gonna be happy because there's no hot spots, zero sharp edges, easy lock to disengage. You got some jimping, which is functional here. I wouldn't call this jimping, but it's just beautiful. The jimping on the flipper tabbles is very good, works like perfect for the light switch. It just flies open. You can even do like a push button and it's going to be equally reliably deploying like with authority. This is a boss. When this guy opens, oof, this is just insane, guys. Nicely textured handles, not slippery. There's some grippiness to this shape, ergonomics for sure, and also like this textured areas, these milled areas are gonna conferring some extra grip to your purchase, and it feels really good. Of course, you can do a reverse grip like super easily because of the real estate going on the handle. Very nice. Fit and finish is just stellar. It's fantastic. Nothing is moving, nothing is misaligned. Everything is just perfectly fitting. It's so well put together, guys. You won't find any issues. No blade playing, no lock rock, nothing, no finger soreness. You can just deploy this thing forever and you're not gonna feel anything on your fingertips. This guy is rolling on single row roller bearings, and you can check the logo right over here. And you can also check my maintenance video too if you want to see how this arrangement works under the hood. It's just a gorgeous way to engineer like a pivot system. It's just super stable, really good, really smooth. The detent is perfectly dialed in. This guy deploys like fast and closes like smoothly. You can be like closing it like smoothly like that with the slow guillotine effect, or just little, see, flick of a wrist, and this guy will want to just close like that. So ooh, guys, this is a gorgeous one. I'm telling you, looks good. It's like a beast, great, elegant. It's menacing, it's loud, great ergos, great look, great sound, great feel. It is a great knife. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoy this video. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned.